The Ghana Stock Exchange is on a historic run. As of 29 April 2025, the GSE Composite Index surged over 24% year to date. According to African markets, it's even projected to end the year at a potential 45% annual gain. This was according to African markets. And so you need to ask yourself that if you are not investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange, you are losing out on potential great returns. And so what we are going to do today is talk about 5 stocks you can buy on the Ghana Stock Exchange to start your investment journey into stocks. And this video is not going to talk about anything but this. And so if you want to learn how to buy stocks itself, you need to watch any of our other videos. The link will be in the description. I've already done that video, so I'm not going to repeat it. I'm going to talk about 5 stocks you can buy as a beginner to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now, this video is not financial advice. I am just giving you what my own research and opinions are. Make sure to consult an expert before you start investing in stocks. And remember, investing in stocks can be risky. You can't lose your capital, and so it's important to gather all the requisite knowledge before you begin. So let's dive straight into the video. Don't forget to like the video, comment, share, subscribe to the channel so that we can be more in touch. And we also have a WhatsApp group for anybody that would like to communicate and have a community of people, like-minded people in investments. And so if you want to be part of our community, you can also join the group. The link will be in the description. Alright, so let's continue. The first stock to buy on the Ghana Stock Exchange is MTN Ghana. Now, this list I'm doing is not in any order. When I say any order, it's not from the best performing to the worst performing. No, it's just a list of 5 stocks that you should consider buying on the Ghana Stock Exchange. Okay, so let's continue. So MTN Ghana Limited. The price of MTN Ghana is currently 3 cedis. Its 2025 year-to-date returns is currently 82.9%. Now, MTN Ghana, if you don't know what they do, is that they lead the telecom sector in Ghana with strong, robust revenue growth with consistent dividends. Its strong fundamentals and market dominance make it a topic for investors. This is even according to Business and Financial Times. Right, and so MTN has dominated the telecom sector, and its stock is also doing well, and they're one of the stocks in Ghana that pay consistent dividends, and so they are good pick for first-time investors, and their share price is just 3 cedis. Now let's go to GCB Bank, which is the second stock. Now its current stock price is 7 cedi 40 pesos. Its 2025 year-to-date returns is 75.4%. And so it's quite good for beginners to start. If you don't know what GCB Bank does, they have showcased, the bank itself has showcased good financial growth or strong financial health with a low price to book ratio and impressive dividends yield. Right? And this reflects its profitability and investor appeal. Investors love it. The third stock is TotalEnergies Marketing Ghana. TotalEnergies. We all know what TotalEnergies does. Its current share price is 24 cedis 51 pesos. Its 2025 year-to-date returns is 157.7%. Right? Which is crazy. It also pays dividends, right? And TotalEnergies has capitalized on sector energy growth, delivering substantial returns and maintaining a strong dividend payout. The fourth one is Fan Milk Limited. Its current share price is 3 cedi 80 pesos. Its 2025 year-to-date returns is 18.8%. A dividend yield. It also pays some dividends. The great thing about Fan Milk is that it's offering, it's rebounding with improved earnings, great market conditions, and it's offering products that we all know. They produce the yogurt, the Fan Yogo, the Fan Ice, the Choco, all those things that we know and love. We've been taking from childhood. Right? Now the fifth one is Ecobank Ghana. Ecobank Ghana is 6 cedis 71 pesos for its current price, and its 2025 year-to-date returns is 10%. Ecobank Ghana's strong financials and then low evaluation metrics have presented an attractive opportunity for investors seeking value in the banking sector. And so, these 5 stocks performed well in 2024 and they seem to also be performing great in 2025. I mean, the year just began, we're down in the second quarter. And so for anybody that loves investing in stocks and understands how stock investment works, apart from just investing in the US stock market, you should also consider investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange. Do your own research. If you want to learn how to actually buy the stocks, you can give us a message or a call and we'll be of assistance to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.